When the institutional traders say jump, you ask how high. As a retail trader, you don't argue. That's exactly how we've been able to call market moves consistently with about 90% accuracy for about 2 years now. Last Wednesday to Friday, the institutions were busy accumulating sell positions. Our institutional data subscribers and I saw this as it happened, so we got ready to join the sell. I even dropped a forecast video on Euro USD for members. Here is a short form of that forecast. The last confirmed order block that we have is on Friday, 5th of January. And as you can see, that when price came right inside here was exactly when we got our order count as bullish. And then price came into the confirmed order block, rejected from there and went straight to the major EBITDA price. So we have 1 buy and 2 sells, which means this Monday, Tuesday contract should be bearish. You can see we got this induced liquidity right here. Now you can clearly see that price drop from here, retested this zone on Friday. That's exactly where I took my own sell from. Now what I'm expecting price to do is price should either continue its move downward because it has already retested the zone on Friday, but if they want, they can do this, just reject maybe from this point, come back into the zone to mitigate this price magnet. After doing that, we'll have the sell move the downside, give us some reaccumulation right there, and then continue the bearishness at the end of the week.
Few moments later.
Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys were able to capitalize on this sell move. The forecast was for price to drop, and that's exactly what price did. It dropped right from here, followed our forecast as it has always done. And as you already know, the market delivered the sell as expected. The big boys always win. In this video, I'll break down our trade on New Zealand USD, which happens to be the best pair to trade the sell move on because of the abundant confirmed institutional sell order blocks on the pair. So sit back, relax, and learn how easily we do this with data on our side. If you want access to our institutional data and inner circle discussion group, you can join at www.thumbsindat.com/home. I'll repeat that, www.thumbsindat.com/home. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Now let's go straight into the analysis. On the screen we have the 1 hour chart of New Zealand USD. The first step to take is to mark institutional price and time. We all know that technical analysis is all about time and price. So we mark the major EBITDA price and the contract period, that is weekly and intra-week contracts. The green solid lines mark the weekly contracts, while the dashed lines divide the weekly contract into 2 intra-week contract periods. I have video lessons on this on the channel. If you don't understand, I will advise you to take time to watch all our educational videos on this channel so you'll be up to date with real knowledge. As at the close of market on Thursday, we already knew the institutions were accumulating sell positions for a bearish move on the currency market. So I scanned all the best pairs to trade and I saw that New Zealand USD is the perfect pair. How I knew this was simply by checking the institutional orders on all currencies. Let's add all the pending orders and price magnet on New Zealand USD as at that Thursday close. Let's run through this together. At first glance, you can see that the institutional traders were consistently loading sell orders since the 4th of January till Tuesday, 9th of January. The only time they bought was on Friday, the 5th of January right here. From our institutional accumulation order count, we already knew the major currencies should be bearish for Monday, Tuesday contract. Now we see heavy selling on New Zealand USD. Also, the selling was done consecutively. If you have watched our video on order blocks, you know 2 consecutive sell with lower highs make up confirmed order blocks. That means the sell here on the 4th of January and this one on the 5th make up a confirmed sell order block at this supply. Let's mark that with a red rectangle. Moving forward, The sell here on the 8th and this one on the 9th also make up another confirmed institutional sell block. Let's mark that also with a box. You can clearly see that the two confirmed order blocks are overlapping, which means it is almost 100% certain that when price comes back into that order block, it will sell off from there. That, in addition to the expected bearishness for the next intraweek contract, make this pair the very best to trade the bearish move on. Now to price action and entry. We already have our order block to trade from. The overlap level right here is the price of interest. So let's mark that. For liquidity zone, we have this ABCD swing from the high right here, creating a buy side liquidity. Similarly, at this high, a new ABCD swing to the downside was also created without taking out the first one. That makes this a liquidity pool structure, with the high being Monday, Tuesday contract high. Very perfect price action structure. In addition to that, we have this bearish price magnet at this low, which means this level is definitely going to draw price towards itself. All that is left right now is for price to run the liquidity pool and hit our price of interest, then we can go in. For you, you can go to the lower time frame to find reversal pattern, but for me, I enter directly with pending orders because I already have confirmation from the institutional orders. So my entry was right here at the close of this candle that hit the price, and stop loss just above the confirmed order block. Our target was this next major EBITDA price, 0.6150, and that gives us a solid 1 to 7.5 risk reward ratio. Price took off from the entry, went straight down to our target and beyond. That is the power of trading with the institutions. I know most price action gurus were looking for buy trades against the big boys, but I'm sure most of them are now wondering why the market is going down. It is simple: institutional selling. That's it. If you want access to our institutional data and discussion group, please visit our website www.tomsinda.com/home. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to like the video by hitting the like button, and also subscribe to the channel by clicking that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop new videos. Share the video with your trader friends, you'll be helping them. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section or reach out to me directly on Instagram at Tom's Capital. I'll be glad to answer your question. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day and enjoy your trading.